as India, in fact, has now set up an ambitious target of generating nearly 100 gigawatts of nuclear power by 2047, more than 10-fold leap from the current 8.8 gigawatts capacity as far as the Prime Minister's statement is coming in. But when we speak of the countdown for the winter session of Parliament, there are a series of other issues that are set to be debated in both houses. Now, while the opposition bloc has raised the matter of SIR already, in the all-party meeting, what has now been said on part of the government, urging the opposition to bring not just one but multiple issues to the table for discussion. But it appears that the opposition has already made up its mind, and in the winter session of Parliament, here is a clear statement coming in from Akhilesh's MP Ram Gopal Yadav saying that they will not allow the Parliament to function if there is no dialogue on the SIR exercise.
मिल रही है बीएलओ से कहा जा रहा है इन लोगों के वोट मार दीजिए, काट दीजिएगा। ये जो बहराइच में लड़का मरा है, आत्महत्या की है, उससे आपने देखा होगा, सुना है, वो कह रहा है कि एसडीएम वगैरह का है कि सब जो पिछड़े और दलित लोग हैं इनके पीडीए के इनका वोट काटिए, तो दबाव से आत्महत्या कर लीजिए। हम इस हाउस को नहीं चलने देंगे अगर SIR
So as far as the Election Commission is concerned, it has now decided to extend the deadline for the completion of the SIR process by a week. Sources within the poll body say that this extension has been made specifically for the purpose of transparency, and the deadline has been extended by a week to ensure that the BLOs have adequate time to share details of the deleted voters to the booth-level agents of their respective political parties. However, the opposition has now made it clear that the SIR remains a top and a key agenda, and that is now visible in the adjournment motions that have now been given by several party MPs in Parliament already ahead of the winter session of Parliament.
We have listed the issues on priority, starting from SIR, the Delhi blast, the labour courts, the federal issues, the rural distress, unemployment. And I also quoted the Parliamentary Affairs Minister having said that he is ready to discuss on a wider issue of reforms, electoral reforms. Let him bring that wider issue. Let us discuss electoral reforms, the status of the electoral politics in this country. वो जितना बार बोला है money power है, muscle power है, let us discuss. And SIR also can be brought inside that. No problem.
See, every party has in common one issue that SIR has to be discussed. But the sad part is that the winter session will work for only 12 days, 15 days. In that, government has got 14 bills in hand, and we have got too many issues like SIR in common, and funds allocation to the Manarega is coming down year over year. The Parliament, which is meant for both the sides, is now working for only one side. And the government is not responding to any of our demands or issues which we raise.
So on part of the government, which is now hit back at the opposition and is urging them to cooperate to ensure that this session is a productive one and not a washout like previous parliament sessions. Meanwhile, the NDA wants the opposition to ensure that the session is not disrupted, only debating on one issue alone. And this is when it comes to the cooperation that has now been sought on part of the government to the Vipaksh.
देश में SIR सिर्फ बिहार में हुआ ये एक्सरसाइज, सुसाइड कर लिया बिहार में, जहां इतना बड़ा एक्सरसाइज हो गया। कौन कहां क्या करवा रहा है तो वो स्टेट में पता करना चाहिए कि हम लोगों के बीच में जाते हैं, पूरे इलेक्शन कैंपेन से आए हैं, लोग भी अब इन लोगों से तंग आ चुके हैं। लोग भी देखते हैं कि पूरा पार्लियामेंट सेशन उस मुद्दा पे पूरा बंद करवा दिया जो लोगों में मुद्दा ही नहीं था, और इतने इम्पोर्टेंट पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट के मुद्दे पर, और इसीलिए क्या हाल हुआ बिहार में नहीं देख रही हैं। इसी सब वजह से उनको खुद असेसमेंट करना चाहिए।
Opposition parties are also raking up SIR issue. They are saying that there is no issue other than SIR in this parliament. How do you react to that, and what is your stand on it?
If you want to waste the time raking up issues, that are not relevant or that are not, relevant to the common man, I think it's not useful for the country. We support SIR. That's what we said. We support SIR. We want the SIR to happen in Andhra Pradesh as soon as possible. We want every the election commission to come train every BLO from every party and make it happen in a transparent way.